Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making terrible purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans, the Creality Ender 3 Max Neo and the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a comparison. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks most relationships: money. The Ender 3 Max Neo comes in at a wallet-crushing $399. Meanwhile, the Ender 3 V3 SE is a more budget-friendly $219. That's a $180 difference. With the money you save, you could buy more filament because you know you're gonna need it. Next, let's talk build volume. The Max Neo flexes a massive 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters build volume. It's like the Hulk of 3D printers. You can print your own action figures, and then some. On the other hand, the V3 SE is more like Ant-Man with a smaller build volume. But hey, big things come in small packages, right? Speed, baby, speed. The V3 SE is a speed demon, boasting a print speed of 250 millimeters per second. It's like Usain Bolt in printer form. Meanwhile, the Max Neo is more like a marathon runner. Steady and reliable, but not quite as fast. So if you're impatient like me, the V3 SE might just be your new best friend. Let's talk extruders, because size matters, right? The Max Neo has a full metal Bowden extruder, which sounds fancy and is pretty durable. But the V3 SE hits back with its upgraded Sprite direct extruder. Over 500,000 units shipped worldwide? That's like having a celebrity extruder in your living room. Shh, let's talk about noise. The Max Neo comes equipped with a 32-bit silent mainboard, keeping noise levels below 50 decibels. It's like the ninja of 3D printers. The V3 SE, well, it's not exactly a rock concert, but it's not winning any noise-canceling awards either. So if you want peace and quiet, the Max Neo is your guy. And finally, ease of assembly. Both these bad boys claim you can get them up and running in just 3 steps. The Max Neo even throws in a 4.3-inch color knob screen for good measure. It's like assembling IKEA furniture, but without the existential crisis. Reviewers have a lot to say about these two printers. The Ender 3 Max Neo is praised for its ease of use and high quality, making it great for small to mid-size projects. However, some users have faced quality control issues with defective units. On the other hand, the Ender 3 V3 SE is lauded for its impressive print quality and ease of assembly, though it does have some recurring issues like unreliable auto-leveling and extrusion problems. Overall, the Max Neo is seen as a solid investment, while the V3 SE is considered an excellent starter printer. So there you have it, the Creality Ender 3 Max Neo and the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, duking it out for your hard-earned cash. Whether you want a Hulk-sized printer or a speedy little Ant-Man, these two have got you covered. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.